going to be
Oh, now it's going. It's going.
No, it's on the video.
We can crop it.
Okay. So today we're going to be talking about LSF, which is a type of CBM. It's designated for early reading as opposed to just generic reading skills and so forth. So for this one, you can access all of the sheets that you need for this assessment as well as the different graphing tools. They are available at Project AIM, which stands for Alternative Identification Modules. You can go to their website at www.give.umd.edu. And like I said, you can access pretty much every resource that you need for this test. When you're actually giving this test, they suggest that you use different items or a sequence of items that need on each sheet to have at least 26 letters per page. This should also, you need to have 3 sheets. All done in one testing session is preferable, although you can do consecutive days, but they don't want you to space it out from there. For graphing points, you're going to take a median of the scores that you receive from the test, and that's going to be your first graphing point when you're when you're graphing the student's progress for the year. From that point, you're going to use 20 to 30 different but equal sheets that will be used to monitor the student's progress throughout the year. So that's going to give you your extra points on the graph that you end up using to show your student's progress. So Caitlin today is going to just be giving an example of how you would administer the test. And so we're going to do that now. So here are some letters. Begin here. And it wants you to point exactly to where you want the student to begin. Tell me the sounds of as many letters as you can. If you come to a letter and you don't know, I will tell it to you. Are there any questions?
Nope.
Put your finger on the first letter. Ready, begin.
Duh.
Pause. Also, one thing you need to have at least a 1-minute timer set up for the student to do this. You can get to make it.
I don't know that one.
Z.
Z. W. K. B. T. Z. I. K. D. P. I don't know that one.
Yeah. So we're gonna start right here for a second. So you would continue to go on and do this, where the student would keep going until your timer ran out. Also, they want you to give 1 copy to the student, and then the teacher themselves would have like 1 copy on a clipboard over here, and you don't want the student to be able to see. So as you're going along through the assessment, you would mark. So since Caitlin did not know what Z was, what the sound for Z was, what you would do is you would put a slash through the Z, and that's how you would mark what she made. So after you go through each line of the assessment and you collect how many errors she made, that is when you go into for your graphing and you take the median score that she scored for each of those.